Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can dropship from Temu to TikTok shop. So the first step you simply need to do is to create your TikTok shop and that is very trending right now. So make TikTok shop and let me click on TikTok shop, create UI and sell more. So the first step you need to do is to create your TikTok shop. And once you complete this step of creating your TikTok shop, okay, so if you are seller, you can easily create creator, partner, and affiliate. So once you create it, you simply need to come on to the Temu and you need to create your account on to the Temu. So once you start your niche or decide your niche, so let's suppose I want to sell this massager guns. So you need to make sure that you stick to the one niche onto the TikTok shop. And once you finalize your niche, so this is the product that I want to sell onto my TikTok shop. So let me open the item. Let me complete this step of verification. Okay, so this is the gun, and here you can see that this cost me 6.87 pounds, and you can check all the reviews about this to see that if it is a good product or not before starting to sell on your TikTok shop. So let's suppose it is a good product and I want to sell this. So once you finalize the product, then you need to create your shop around it and you need to post some videos for the onto your TikTok shop, and you must sell this item in, I think the best one is 30 pounds. And once you get an order on your TikTok shop, you simply place an order here onto the Temu, and the Temu then send this product to your customer and you will get your cut from the order. So it will be, I think, 6.87, then the delivery cost and all other expenses, it will be around 10 to 12 pounds. And after, if you sell it in 30 pounds, then 18 pounds will be your profit. So this is the process that you need to follow and how you can drop ship from Temu to TikTok shop. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.